Hello, good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, what's the name of the activity that you have finished just now?
Non-fire cooking.
Non-fire cooking. Okay, and what you have prepared in this?
Sir, there are two types of dishes we have prepared. So first is a sandwich, in which we have used mayonnaise, then sweet onion sauce, a lot of vegetables, and bread. The second one here is a sprout salad, which is healthy and tasty. It is made up of cucumber, tomato, and variety of sprouts. Then here we have lemonade, simplest drink of all, which is especially made with brown sugar and normal lemon.
Okay, how much time did it take to finish this?
Around 15 to 20 minutes.
Within 15 to 20 minutes, your healthy breakfast, I can say it was ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. One very important question. What's the learning outcome from this?
Sir, the learning outcome of this is we get to participate together. We know what a team is.
Okay.
And we get to cooperate together and learn a lot of new things.
That's
Sir,
nice,
we
that's
also learn
nice.
the importance of healthy food in our diets.
Superb, that's perfect. Thank you so much, children, for talking to us. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, can you name the activity which you finished just now?
This is fireless cooking.
Fireless cooking. That means without using any fuel.
Yes.
Okay, so what you have made in this activity?
So, sir, over here we have made papdi chaat with the use of papdi, shave, and some vegetables.
Okay.
Tomato, onion, and we have used papdi. Over there, on top of the papdi, we have put ragda made out of potatoes.
Okay.
And then we have sprinkled some shave and we put pudina on top.
Right, so something which you can have it daily?
No, once in a while, sir.
Once in a while, okay. How much time did it take to finish this activity?
So, it took almost approximately 15 to 20.
15 to 20 minutes. The entire group has made that?
Yes,
Entire
sir.
group contributed?
Yes, sir, this is the team.
That's really nice. And what you have learnt out of this activity?
Sir, teamwork, hard work,
Okay,
and
that should be always there.
cooking skills.
Cooking
and
skills, that's
the
nice.
coordination between the team.
The coordination, perfect. That's why you could make it in a very small span of time. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, children, for talking to us. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, I heard that you have finished one activity.
Yes, sir.
Can you first name this activity?
Yes, it's fireless cooking.
Fireless cooking sounds interesting. So that means you have made something without using any fuel. Good. So let me just have a look. What exactly you have made?
We have made a cake using brown bread Nutella, and we have made Pringle chaat,
Okay.
coconut sherbet and mojito, and corn chaat.
Okay, that's nice. And how much time did it take to finish this activity?
20 to 25 minutes.
So within 20 minutes, everybody cooperated? Group activity?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. Thank you so much for talking to us. Thanks a lot. Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
So you have finished one activity here.
Yes, sir.
What's the name of this activity?
Sir, the activity's name is fireless cooking.
Fireless cooking. Well, sounds interesting. So we're interested to know what exactly you made in this.
So in this we have started with cake pops. The ingredients used in this were bread, Nutella, chocolate syrup, butter and sugar. Next we have made a cake. It was made by Nutella, brown bread, and it was garnished with sprinklers, chocolates and chocolate peanuts.
Okay, since it is a cake and all, is it recommended to have it every day?
No, it's not.
No? Okay. How much time did it take to finish?
Around 20 to 25 minutes.
So within 20-25 minutes your cake was ready. It's looking very delicious. That's nice.
Sir, next is the sandwich, in which we used bread, mayonnaise, tomato and potato. Then we made this lemonade.
Okay.
It took 5 minutes to get ready.
That's nice. So this is something which we can have it daily, right? Okay. Anyway, so I can say within 20 to 25 minutes your entire activity was completed. So teamwork, can we give credit to the teamwork? That's the group? That's the group if I'm not wrong?
Yeah,
Yes,
that's the group name G2.
G2. That's a nice name that you have given to yourself. Thank you so much for talking to us. Thanks a lot.